Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best apps for iOS 16 lock screen widgets. First app we got is All My Batteries. You can download this from App Store, link in the description. This will have your all-device battery percentage on lock screen. To add devices, tap on plus icon on the top right. Then select any device you want to add. You can only add 3, to add more you have to buy premium. Once added all the devices, go to lock screen. Tap and hold. Tap on customize. Go to lock screen. Tap on add widget. Go to All My Batteries app. Select the widget you like. And press done. Now you have your device's widgets. To change device icon, tap on device. Go to icon. In here select any icon you want, and press done. Next app we got is Short Flow. You can download this from App Store, link in the description. With this app you can add any app widget, add any shortcut or add link widget. To add app widget, select any app. Then go to lock screen. Tap and hold. Tap on customize. Go to lock screen. Tap on widget. Go to Short Flow app. And select widget. That's how you add app widget on lock screen. Next app we got is Widget Spacer. You don't need to open the app. Just go to lock screen setting. Then select Widget Spacer. And select the size of the widget. Press done. That's how you add transparent widget on your lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.